Hi, welcome back. Today I'm making rice fufu. Yes, you hear me right, rice fufu. Soak the rice for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. I soak mine for 30 minutes. This was after 30 minutes. Time to blend. Add potato starch. If you don't have potato starch, you can make use of corn starch. Add water to it. Blend it until it is smooth. It's ready. Transfer to a cooking pot. Place on heat and stir continuously. Continue stirring it. It's already forming. If you see that it's too thick, you need to add water. Continue to cook. Add water, cover and cook it for some minutes. As semo is ready. No, not semo. Rice fufu is almost ready. See how soft it is. Wow. You can even mold it, you see. It's ready. So I'll transfer to a you can transfer to plate and eat instantly. I have to warm my soup, so I have to put it in the lie down. Hope you are going to try this recipe. Try it and let me know what you think about it. Time to eat. Eat with any soup of your choice. So I have this leftover vegetable, so I decided to eat mine with this vegetable soup. And I'm stepping it down with this juice, multi juice. Wow, I love this. It was very nice and smooth. I think from today henceforth, this is what I'm going to be making in this house. Even my son was eating with me and he enjoyed it so much. You really enjoyed this rice fufu. I think it was hot, so I have to start cutting for him. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.